Hi everyone, welcome back to another co-programming tutorial. Today's topic is how to count the frequency of each character in a string using Golang. This is a common beginner level question and it's a great way to understand maps, loops and string in Go. So let's dive right into the code. First we will import the package. Import fmt. FMT is used to print things on a screen, and we are creating a sample now. Now in the main function, we are creating a sample text is like the hello and world. Then we call a function, call a custom function. Like our function name is care and count. Okay, and we are past the our text. Okay, and which will end up our function return a map of each character and how many times it's appear. Okay, so see count. Let's return the count. Okay, so let's print the our map result. Okay, so the map is like my map name is count. So for its map character like key and its value like count. Range of count empty dot printf is character like C prints the character and percent d is print the number of characters like curve and the count. Okay, d is print the count. Okay, now the main logic is our char count function. So we will make the function like char count and its string is text, its type is string, and the our output is like map of rune for use of characters and the int. Okay, so first we will remove all spaces of this string like our string text. So we are text equals to our use the string package strings package strings dot replace all. So we are replace all the text. So remove all the spaces. Okay, this one. Then we create a map. Create a map that called count to store the characters, store characters and their frequency. So we get the make map and then reon and it's int. Okay. Okay. Next we loop through each character using, so we are create for loop and then it's characters range of its text. Okay. So for each character we increase the count of the map. So key is char, our char, and is. So for each character is increase the count. Finally, we return the map to the main function, display the result. We use Rune instead of bytes because Rune supports all Unicode characters, just not just English letter. And you will just build a simple and useful character counting program in Golang. So we will save and run also. You have built a simple and useful character counting program in Golang. So W is 1 times and R is 1 time, D and this L is 3 times. So L1, 2 and 3 times. So it's a correct output. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more great helpful Golang tutorials. Thank you.